so today I'm going to be teaching you guys what is called the worm. The worm is a fairly difficult cardistry move that will take hours of practice. I practiced all day and ended up getting it in one day, but it takes tons of practice and learning, and I'll see you guys in the performance of what it looks like. All you need is a deck of cards and a little bit of finger control. Alright, so the first thing you're going to need to master is what is called the Z grip. So right here, you're going to lift up with your thumb, and then with your middle finger, lift up. So it looks like a Z. So then you can master it and be able to get into the Z just like that. So once you get the Z mastered, once again, you lift up on the back, the top. This is step one. Lift off the back, then with your ring or your middle finger, lift up on the second one, just like that. But you're going to be doing this not downwards. You're just going to do it just like that. Now let's get right on into, after you get into the Z grip, just like this, is to use your index to rotate a card off of your middle finger. See how I rotate the card right off of my middle finger. So you're going to rotate the card off your middle finger, and all you do from here is turn your wrist and put it right here to make this like square. Now, you should be able to rotate just like this. So, once again, you're going to take out of your Z grip, rotate off, your left wrist goes up, grabs this card with your pinky right here. It should be locked right there, so then you could move these cards around just like that. So, let's get on into step number 3 is where you actually do the worm part. So you're right here. You're gonna push over a card. So from the back view, you're gonna get this card right here and push it over. I'll get you guys a back view of this right now. Alright, so from here, you're gonna rotate this card right here, this King of Spades. It could be any card, but you're going to rotate it as you go like this and come together with the cards. And so from the front, it's going to and that card is going to go on to, once you rotate that out, you're going to bend, you're going to rotate the cards, and that card is going to get locked in on that pinky. From there, you are ready for step number 5. You're just going to, once you get your card out, show them rotations, boom, and from there, your thumb is going to come over here on this top packet, contact it with your thumb. And all you're going to do is lift up and extend out into this nice big S right here. Now there's many things that you can do from here. You can just close up like this, or you can even extend it out a little bit more. If you come up here with your chin, you can extend even more with your chin. You can do many things once you're done with the worm, but that's the main trick, and I'll go over it with you one more time. In your Z grip, once you're in your Z, rotate the top card, come over, once again, once you're in your Z, come up and over, then boom, just like that. So then you can rotate the packets. This will take a lot of practice, this right here. At first you're going to be going like this, and you're this is going to fall out, and then the cards are just going to fall everywhere. It happens to everyone that's just learning this move. But with practice, you'll be able to rotate these cards even better than I can right now. So once you're in your rotation here, you're going to take the back card and then rotate together to form this. Remember, you're going to contact the top with your thumb. That can just fall right now. You're going to do that a lot whenever you first start, because the cards, especially with a new deck of cards, the cards slip everywhere. And this is a brand new deck of cards. So once you're here, remember, slide that over, rotate to form this. When you come over your thumb, contact the top, rotate out. Now, this is really, really advanced, but whenever you come in here, you can even clip a card off here, hold it, and then come with your chin, and then do that. So you have like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 card packet. You can do all of that and have 7 packets in your hands. It's a nice little flourish. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.